Liji Town is a nationally recognized hub for accessory making. Initially, its industry focused on contract manufacturing, relying heavily on orders from Yiwu and other regions. Over the course of more than 40 years, Liji has grown from contract manufacturing into possessing a fully integrated accessory industry, covering design, production, and sales. In the past, Liji's artisans were at the low end of the value chain. Raw materials came from Yiwu, and finished products were shipped back there. For each piece, they earned only a small processing fee. So they made a decision. No more waiting for orders. They would create their own designs and find their own markets. This was not just a shift in production, but a fundamental change in mindset.
刚开始的时候嘛，我们这礼仪镇嘛，一直都从事这个来料加工，也都是以义乌市场作为一个主体。我一直加工到了2015年，就等我整整做了15年的前期这个探索。后来在了2016年成立了公司，2017年我们参加了艺博会，然后参加了宁波展，参加了广东展。后来呢，我们逐渐就接触到了国内的这个外贸公司，靠我们去设计，靠我们去把这个样子做出来，把它散发到国外去。
10 seconds, and a butterfly bow takes shape. Traditional craftsmanship meets modern ingenuity in Liji, whose real innovation is letting machine speed and the warmth of the human hand move in step. A single breakthrough isn't enough. In Liji, industrial innovation takes shape through an interconnected ecosystem. An e-commerce park for accessories, local logistics companies, and dedicated shipping lines that link the town to markets at home and abroad.
我们呢，组建了专业的这个行业的服务队伍，这样一个队伍呢，来引导我们这个整体的行业进行提档升级，进行品牌的推广，那么进行市场的产销对接。同时呢，我们也搭建了这个产业的平台，就是我们这个饰品电商产业园集生产、加工、物流仓储以及电商教育于一体，为我们这个整个的饰品产业的这个发展呢，提供了一个基础的支撑。
礼集镇是无数中国制造乡镇的一个缩影，大家都需要从这过去的这种来料加工的模式转向这种设计创造。那么这实际上不仅是礼集镇的一个选择，其实也是中国经济从这个汗水驱动向创新驱动的一个转型。这也是一个必然规律。那么谁转得快呢，谁就掌握了主动权。
And innovation never stops. As this bow from the east begins to think beyond itself, its next destination is an even wider world.